So hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, I'm going to be making a facial scrub for you. yes, a coffee and sugar facial scrub. Me, you know, say me I want to be a DIY girl, right? Yeah man, I love to go in my fridge and can't find any little thing in there. Yeah, make it work. Alright, let us go to the lab. So I hope you understand some of the benefits that you'll be getting from this facial scrub. Alright, so I have one big spoon here, so yeah, this I work with. So I just gonna use this amount of sugar because I just use it for today alone, right? And I have my coffee. This amount I gonna use, put in there. Mix it up. Mix it up. So this is coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil. You can always use your olive oil, almond oil, or any other oil that you feel like you want to use. Some people tend to not like coconut oil because they say it clogs the pores and all of that, but you can use what you want to use, alright? So any oil of your choice, you can use it. And of course, I have my lime right here. So alright, I don't know how much I use. I just have put a little bit in there. Alright, so look here. So I find a little bit of this baking soda in there in my fridge too. But just I go put some in there too because it's good for your skin too. Alright, so this is the scrub. Yeah, look at me put too much baking soda in there anyway, so it can still scrub off your face. Alright, so the reason why I make such a little bit of scrub for use now, but did make that scrub here from last week. I mean, I say, but hold on, but me not do no, me not a long time, me not do no DIY something. I make this and not even remember for sure no how I make my scrub. So this is it, right? See you back in studio. Alright, so so we scrub here what we are work with. Yeah, you. Alright, so let me just remove the spoon. Alright, so let's do our facial scrub. And yeah, this is how it is looking now. I don't apply everything to my face. All right, let me tell you, a while ago the paste of it was a little bit too thick for me. So what I should have did though, I should have did just put a little bit of water in there for kind of loosen it up a little bit, but I never did that, so it take one little while for me and massage it in my skin. So if you do that, so if you're going to try it, you can put a little bit of water on it, you understand? All right, so you probably think say me forget one who for name if you call out though. No, I tell you say me have my list here, so me have my list right down. All right, so A and J tasty cooking, and of course Beaches Anderson. But hold on, I gotta wash off my face first because I don't want to think to me I disrespect or no with me something on my face. I'm gonna make sure I try to go in my mouth. Hold on. So we're back again. Yeah, face cool up, wash off. Anyway, I'm not gonna put no moisturizer on my face right now. Ask me why. Alright, so Beaches Anderson, these are some of the comments. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. Alright, me tell you say, if you don't have my WhatsApp, you can always find me on Instagram and DM me a picture or a video. Alright, so me a wait on it and me no see it come. I know say always a comment under my video them, so me don't understand. I know say I watch last week one, so me don't understand you. Anyway, NJ cooking. Alright, me don't understand you. You're supposed to send me a picture. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna believe in some of her comments here. Alright, thank you so much, Angels, for always supporting my videos. And of course, Maisha Lee Wars and yeah, Jordan Christina. So, remember, next week, whosoever comment under my video now, phone name I go call up next week. You understand what I say? So thank you guys. That is the end of the video. That is the end of my coffee and sugar scrub video. Yes. If you do love it, like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video, of course, with your family and your friends, and most definitely to subscribe if you want more content like this. And of course, make sure to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. All right, baby, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.